Good morning, guys. Welcome to the New Age Wall Street TGIF. Thank God it's Friday live stream. We do this every week, where we go live. We go and we just kind of trade live. We make a pre-market plan. I think we're getting started a little bit late today. I do apologize. Had some technical difficulties, but if you want to join us every week, we do this. If you want to come trade with us, absolutely for free here on YouTube. And then on Sundays, we also have the Sunday Stock Talk. If you want to come in, and we just do some technical analysis for the week. Sometimes we have guests. This weekend I'm having Ricky Analog on the Stockcast on Sunday, so you're not gonna want to miss that. And we just make a pre-market plan, get ready for the trading week. So also, if you're struggling in any type of where, we could go over everything together. Um, so yeah, it's usually a really good time, but definitely welcome. We're gonna go ahead and jump right into some tickers and things here this morning. Just give me a moment. All right, let's see here. All right, cool. And I'm actually gonna stand up, so give me a moment. If you guys have any tickers or anything that you want me to go over, put them in the chat. We'll go over them together. Um, if you have any questions, any techno analysis, anything like that, then definitely let me know as well. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into some pre-market right here. Um, so yesterday was SPY, so I think what's his name, Kudlow, whatever, and then Trump gave some comments about some stuff that they're gonna do today. I don't remember what it is. I think they're gonna um, I don't remember exactly what it was gonna be, but they gave some comments right here when the market was going up, and then we took a straight shot down here. But we pretty much closed at where we, right at the open from the previous day. So, and we're right now we're pretty much at the same level. So, we really haven't gone anywhere. Generally on Fridays we've been pretty bullish, but that's more towards like the middle of the day and the end of the day. So who knows what'll happen here today? I'm really hoping that we go up, but I'm gonna definitely today. I don't have really a sense of direction since we're kind of just going sideways and we're ranging right here. It's a coin flip, so I'm definitely gonna wait my 10 minutes at the open to see which way we get some trend direction and sentiment with. Now right now I have just to show you guys, I have Nvidia calls right now, and I screwed up this trade. It was my fault, and I'm gonna have to manage it at the open and mitigate some risk. Let me put this actually more like this so you guys could see better. Um, so I bought. Let me go a little bit smaller here. So around right here on this dip, I bought 345 calls, and I meant to sell 360 calls to hedge it in, and I freaking sold 360 puts. So they're next week expiration, so that's the only thing that I did do right about it. And we made up some of that room, but we're almost back to where I was, where I actually got in. Uh, so we'll see what happens. If not, then I may just keep those into next week, and then what I'll do is I'll intraday trade it to make up some of my losses here and be able to pay for the trade. And then um, I do believe Nvidia gets to 350 over 350 next week. So I'll go ahead and do that. Volume is low. James, good morning, bro. China stuff, yeah, bro. So lots of indecision things going on in the market right now. Like I said, I'm gonna wait. So wait until we get some sentiment. We're almost looking like we want to come back down, but I don't know. I do believe we'll protect that 300 area. So we'll see. We'll see what happens, bro. I'm gonna keep that on watch. So Nvidia, I'm gonna manage my trade that I kind of biffed right here and freaking butchered. I'll go ahead and manage that at the open, and then I'm also looking at Amazon, guys. Yesterday, Amazon made a really nice move, and um, I tried once on it, and it was already after I made my money in Nvidia, so it was like right here, and it actually broke below. I got calls in this area, and it broke below right here, so I just stopped out, and then I think one of my members actually um, got that dip. He was actually in puts at the time I was in calls, but I didn't keep it up on the screen. And then this next time where it actually did hold the support and the red or green line here would have been perfect entry for another try to get in. So that would have been to 2410 is where the resistance is, the support to 2440. So about 30 points, which would have been pretty nice if you're able to hold through that. Um, so that's on my watch, Nvidia, Amazon, and then let's see here. I still have Tesla up, but after like that dip the other day, guys, it went down to like 780 some, and then it came straight back into the range where it's just not doing anything. So um, I'll pull it up right here, and I'll go a little bit bigger with it. So you see kind of like this sideways, and yeah, here's the dip that we're talking about to the support, and then it's still doing kind of the same thing. We're kind of making these higher, or excuse me, lower highs now, kind of pushing it down. But anytime it gets towards 820, 822, it just fucking sucks, dude. So I just need to play that range in between 800 and 820 probably, and that's it. So Shopify is really nice too, and I'm hesitant to go over this, but I traded this yesterday, and it needs some momentum to get over 760 for it to continue to go up. So this is a risky play here, guys. I don't like the spread on it, but there's definitely potential here in order for it to keep on going. Does anyone have tickers you want to go over here in the chat? Man, we have a small crew today. While we're here, guys, I just want to remind you, if you can like, comment, subscribe on the video, it helps so much with the YouTube algorithm to keep everything going, and new traders to come in and learn a thing or two about a thing or two. I definitely appreciate it. So there's those. I do like JB put in here. Someone's actually asking me on Instagram, are we doing live today? Alberto, good morning, bro. Benitez, good morning. JB, good morning. What up? My phone had died. I'm getting all kinds of messages now. Um, but what JB was going over Costco. I really like Costco, guys. So we kind of got this pennant formation going up right here, and then this bottom wick as of yesterday. We could come back and test over highs today, or even 320 today. So I really like Costco right here. So something to keep in mind. Costco. I'm actually going to keep that over here. Keep that right here. And then I have Nvidia, Tesla. I need Amazon right here. Topher. Awesome, bro. Are you Hispanic as well? Isn't that the dude from the whatever? Roku overnight from 2 days ago, sold yesterday. Looking to see if there's more in it. What up? I don't know how to say your name. Legua? I just seen your thing on Instagram. I think you just messaged me, bro. I apologize. We were a little bit late today. I had to because I was in California last Friday, and I messed up like my stream stuff, like the way it's all set up. So I apologize. It took me a little bit longer to reset it back up and everything, dude. So appreciate your patience. Yeah, dude, that's funny. My phone's being a piece of shit right now, so I can't check it. Or Instagram's being a piece of shit. One of the two. Um, all right. Did you guys want me to put flow algo here on the screen too, or is it gonna make the chart too small? I'll let you guys vote here in the chat if you guys want me to put flow algo down here as well. Alberto telling us good morning in the P&L room. Hell yeah, Alberto. He's already one step ahead of everyone. Thinking about profits. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that. Yeah, we might get a breakup here as on Amazon as well. You gotta be patient there, Andrew. Yeah, I put flow algo in there. Okay, cool. What if I just do one chart? Kind of like that. And then we bring the flow algo over here. The flow algo takes a lot of room, dude. Like that? Does that look good? Turn on her voice alerts. We got 10 minutes to the bell. I'm gonna put my other charts over here then. I wonder what happened to our boy. We have a man down as of yesterday, bro. I thought for sure he would have showed up. G Money, good morning, bro. Do you guys have any other tickers there in the chat? Either one, YouTube, my guys, you guys want to go over? I'm gonna put ABIO over here with Alberto. I'm sure Alberto's celebrating. I hope he's celebrating. Um, celebrating this, or excuse me, I was trying to say salivating. Oh my god. Let's see. I typed your name as a ticker, bro. I'm a freaking idiot. Oh yeah, dude. It's looks like it's actually freaking moving a little bit. BYND as well. Yeah, BYND should be nice if it could get going again. Um, Dude, I hope Boeing gets some action going back up, dude. See make sure my alarm is set here real quick. There we go. My 10-minute alarm is set here. Thoughts on BA? Sorry, Luis, I just seen your thing, dude. But one of my guys actually, uh, yeah, BA. So I like it, dude. I like it. If we could hold around right here, this 145.92 or so, 146. I really like BA for it to hold and start making up some of this ground. It has to start making up some of this gap right here, dude. And dude, I wish I probably maybe today I'll start studying a little bit and see if we can make a. Oh, and the announcements, yeah, dude. I think a lot of people are looking at it. NFX said it was on her radar, so yeah, we should see, bro. We'll see. A lot dependent on the sentiment on the market and stuff too, dude. So Pedro, good morning, bro. I didn't see you come in, dude. Has anyone here heard this song? It's called Roses, the St. John song. All right, everyone's ready then. Everyone's good to go for the open. Oh, it doesn't show the flow algo, bro. It's not gonna work in showing the flow algo, dude. It's because the software that records it only lets like it only like does the program, like it doesn't do the screen, I don't think. Oh no, here it is. Yeah, I don't know, dude, but we're about to start, so I'll fix it here in a little bit. Oh man, Al in the house, bro. Awesome, G. Oh, a month ago. I thought it was just this like at the beginning of the week. Never mind. Sorry, NFX. Now you guys can't see anything, dude. Like what the hell is going on? There you go. I'll fix it here in a little bit. So I'm gonna manage my Nvidia swing that I kind of messed up on, Anthony, and then I have Netflix here and Amazon. So Amazon's probably gonna try to see if we can nail Amazon today. Um, oh man, Bowen's making a wash right here. ZS thing? I don't know what you're talking about, Al. Oh, I don't know. All right, guys, market's open. Just chilling right real quick. Wait for my time to go up. I'm just watching the video right here, seeing if it'll give me some play to go up. Netflix is gonna do a dip and rip probably. Watch. If you have tickers or anything, guys, in on YouTube, if you guys want me to go over them, make sure you put them up. Here's my spike I'm looking for here on Nvidia. Got some nice dip and rips here so far on Tesla, Nvidia, um, Netflix, Amazon. Here goes the SPY. The important level on the SPY is going to be right here on the red to green right here, guys. That we should get at least up to this area in order for it to test, and we'll see what happens from there. It's kind of lame here at the open. I'm not because I don't take trades here at the open, so I could see the sentiment which way it goes. So looking so good so far, so good to the upside. Let's see if right here if we get like a spike up here till this level, like we are saying, and for it to come back down. So yeah, red to green, bro. Yeah, I'm bullish on Netflix, dude. I liked this dip right here. I'll show you real quick on. I was showing on my other chart, but I like this dip that it had right here, right at the open on this first candle. Let me put a 1 minute candle, or 1 minute chart, excuse me. So this dip right here with this wick, so that's straight up to this fib line right here, and the T3. This is a nice setup right here for me to be able to take this real quick at the open, and you know that's $2-3 real quick as a scalp. So. For 11.24, yeah, dude. Now we're just kind of going sideways. It freaking sucks. All right, guys. So I'm selling some calls this week. Expiration here, 340s against my and I probably did this wrong. 340s against yeah. So I sold 340s against my position on Nvidia. I'll cut that here. Yeah, dude, don't scare me, bro. Like I've never really, so full disclosure, like I'm learning how to sell options, guys. I usually go long calls, long puts. That's it, just on my whatever. And I'm trying to manage this freaking Nvidia trade that I fucked up. Yeah, I sold this week's expiration. So I appreciate Al's walking me through it here. He's holding my hand. Oh, I don't have the Fluelgo alerts going on. Sorry, guys.
CGC. 18 calls.
Oh, I just
June
exited out of it.
19th, 2020. 161 contracts.
Where's my timer here on? It's called a calendar. There you go. Freaking Al's showing me this, but now it's going the wrong way. Al, now what?
Voice alerts on.
There goes Tesla. Oh, we got a little bit lower dip here on Netflix here, but here we go. Yeah, dude, this thing is a mess. I'm gonna freaking. Oh, there's my alarm. All right, I'm looking at Amazon right here, guys. It came down and held the resistance line. So, so I have a resistance line here on Amazon at real quick, right here at 24.10. So it held right here,
June
and
19th,
this dip I got in. So then, looking forward to
1,000
get.
contracts.
Oh, it's loud. 24.10, or excuse me, 24.50 would be nice to get on Amazon.
AVTR. 20 calls. November 20th, 2020. 261 contracts.
Careful right there, Andrew. Hope you read right. We're looking pretty good. I like these spikes on the SPY, bro. Up here, this 320, 70, 80 area. But sometimes the SPY likes to go sideways and just build this base right here and then take off. So we'll see. But I see your plan and I see what you're doing, and I think you could be right there. So you're good, bro. One second, guys. All
10,000
right, sorry guys.
contracts. AMD. 55 calls. June 5th, 2020. 584 DKNG. 29 puts. June 12th, 2020. 400 contracts.
need the market to go up, Andrew. So sorry, broski. Uh,
CS.
Portney says otherwise. Have you guys watched Dave Portney?
May 29th,
Stocks only go high and then they go higher.
AMD. 53 calls. May 29th, 2020. 720 MSFT. 182 calls. May 29th, 2020.
Portney's the goat. Dude, he's the business marketing goat, dude. I gotta give it to him, bro. I gotta give it to him. I'm gonna write him and tell him New Age Wall Street's for sale if he could give me 100 million.
TDOC. 210 calls. July 17th, 2020.
Yeah, 18 million, and then he got back up to 100 million.
5 calls.
Like nothing, dude. And then I don't know if you guys watched the Call Her Daddy podcast, but it's fucking funny, dude. And I'm glad that they won that too. Chris, good morning. What up, bro? It's just like these young girls that talk about their sex capades, bro. But the thing was, is that it was a duo and they broke up.
June 5th, 2020. 100 contracts.
No, he's not on it. He just owns it. They bought it, and then the two girls host it or whatever.
TWLO. 230 calls. July 17th, 2020. 800 CM. 195 calls. June 19th,
Happy Friday, bro. Happy Friday, Chris.
50 contracts.
Yeah, they tried to sell it to HBO, bro, and he's like, no, I fucking own it.
55
That thing, dude, like makes so much money off of a stupid
685
podcast. Like it makes so much money, bro.
calls. July 17th, 2020. 1,400 CNGA. 8 calls. July 17th, 2020. 520 ABTR. 20 calls. November 20th,
Teladoc, bro. Teladoc's getting some action here, JB.
6. 25 calls. July 17th, 2020. 234 contracts.
The thing is that he's the nicest asshole I've ever seen, bro. Like he knows how to have controversy, but not be disrespectful. Super proud, Andrew.
8 calls.
Super proud.
July 17th, 2020. 500 contracts. CNGA. 8 calls. July
Exactly.
17th, 2020. 512 contracts.
All right, I'm in the money here on my Nvidia calls, guys. I'm gonna bring it back up right here. So this is the most confusing position I've ever fucking had in my life, dude. So I'm long 345 calls. I'm selling 340 360 puts, and then I have 340 calls that are sold right now as well. So yeah.
170 calls. May 29th, 2020. 400 CS. 95 calls. May 29th, 2020. 145 contracts.
And Amazon looks like it's gonna do the steady march here. It needs to get over 24, 25.
2020.
Oh shit! What happened to the spy? Get out, Andrew! What happened to the spy, bro? I watched while I was working last night on the new website. I watched the I watched okay, I'll do that right now. I watched that Jeffrey Epstein documentary on Netflix while I was working, and it's the same thing, dude. Like that dude didn't have shit, and he manipulated people to get his money. And just it takes a certain type of person. Like it's just
8 p.m. 325 calls. July 17th, 2020. 580 contracts.
Charlie. What up, bro? Chase. Good morning. Calls on Boeing. Cool, bro. What's that? What's that, Alberto? Put a trend line.
NTNX. 25 calls. June 5th, 2020. 963 contracts.
There you go, bro. Learning all kinds of tips for the masters here. Charlie got a head start on us. He's been trading since midnight on the futures. He's already up like 7 grand, bro.
NTNX. 25 calls. June 19th, 2020. 253 contracts. NTNX. 25 calls. June 5th, 2020. 288. NTNX. 25 calls. June 5th, 2020.
Oh yeah, Boeing's looking pretty good right here, Anthony. It's nice, nice healthy trend right here so far on Boeing. It moves so fucking slow though, bro.
NTNX. 25 calls. June 5th, 2020. 475 contracts.
ATAP. I mean, is it sympathy of AB? What's the other one? ABIO.
230 calls. July 17th, 2020. 207 contracts.
You mean like shorts off of the like EMA and stuff, dude? This whoever shorted this in pre-market is laughing to the bank. The ADAP right now.
NTNX. 25 calls. June 5th, 2020. 347 contracts.
Dude, Nvidia is freaking sick, bro. Had I bought it freaking right, Al, it would have been. I mean, it's going up both ways still, but like, whatever. NTNX. Oh, I see that, bro. Oh yeah, that was a lot there, Topher. I'm barely in the green on those right now, dude. 15 bucks. 15 bucks on my sold 360 puts. I sold those 340s for today, bro. Or I bought them back, whatever covered them. So right here, guys, if we're looking at the SPY, so this is exactly what I was saying about building this base, and then we're coming to at least test red to green right here on the SPY. And so right so far it said heck no, it's not going to do it, but we're getting a reload right here. See if we could get another push here in a second on the SPY. If it rejects again, then cool. Then we'll see if we just range back and forth between the support and then the resistance here for probably the morning. So
Contracts. 35 calls. September 18, 2020. 703 contracts.
oh yeah, you guys were talking about Baba last night, right? Did you get a piece of that, Topher? Yeah, 197 first, and then see what it how it does there, bro.
B250 calls. March 19, 2021. 255 contracts.
Do you need a big portfolio to trade futures? It is a little bit pricey, dude.
Foxy.
It is a little bit pricey to do futures. I think
2020.
how much is one contract of ES or MES? It's less than trading equities. How much is it?
Foxy. 13 puts. June 19,
So Charlie said, Anthony, usually around 1,300 a contract. Some brokers do 500 margin.
June 19, 2020. 1,358 contracts.
Oh shit, they give you 500% margin, bro? That's freaking nuts.
W175 calls. May 29, 2020. 141 Foxy. 13 puts. June
That's
19,
freaking nuts, dude.
2020.
Nope, watching that.
1,041 STLD.
Okay, cool, dude.
5
Yeah,
calls.
the for Topher, Chase,
702 calls.
You guys, if you guys want to make an appointment for on Sunday, so we could do a Zoom and we'll go over everything, bro.
Contracts. Oxy. 13 puts. June 19th, 2020. 1,094 contracts.
$6K contract. That's crazy, bro. I'm gonna sit back down.
TNGA. 8 calls. June 5th, 2020.
Looks like we're
594
gonna break
contracts.
lows here, Andrew. You're early though, bro. Told you to wait for this red to green right here, Tess. Oh my gosh, bro. I don't know. They're still holding, protecting this 302 right here, dude.
NTNX. 25 calls. June 5th, 2020. 310 contracts.
Like Mike, it'll roll over. This dude. Yeah, we had a man down, dude. RIP to our man down yesterday. You shorted a penny stock? Which penny stock did you short, bro? I don't believe you.
25
on that on that pop there towards 9 there, Alberto.
500 contracts. Work. 38 calls. August 21st, 2020. 267 contracts.
Oh, what happened? Exactly. That's what we were talking about with Benitez yesterday. He had a win and so build that momentum, dude. Strongest thing you could do is build that momentum.
W 250 calls. July 17th, 2020. 122 contracts.
Man, I'm sorry, you guys on YouTube. Oh yeah, dude. Do flow algo make gaps? How do you deal with it? What do you mean? Do flow algo make gaps? Like whenever it alerts, does it make gaps
July 17th,
in
2020.
the ticker?
250 contracts. DOCU. 165 calls. January 15th, 2021. 223 contracts.
Chart coming soon, he said. Yeah,
FOF.
yeah. John.
225 puts. May 29th,
Sorry, I didn't
2020.
see your question right away, bro. But if you could explain that a little bit more, bro.
72 puts. August 21st,
W Wayfair.
2020.
Oh, dude, Wayfair has been
250.
on one, bro.
100
We kind of
calls.
put it on the
June
on the
5th,
back burner, and
2020. 500
ooh, and this
contracts.
trade actually worked out really well, guys. Remember we were talking about it moving from the 80s down to 50? It actually was a freaking nice swing, bro. And I don't know what happened. I just got bored with it or something.
QCOM. 72 puts. August 21st, 2020. 2000. CVNA. 90 puts. June 5th, 2020. 500 contracts.
Should get 301 right there, bro.
Area. 36 calls. June 5th, 2020. 2,000 contracts. Cruise. 71 points.
Dude, that was weird. It said cruise. I was like, the hell, Tiffany calling my name for?
160 MB. 225 points. May 29th,
Yeah,
2020.
so like if there's like flow and then all of a sudden there's a gap like on the there's a gap on the ticker, bro. Then I mean you don't have to trade it just because it came up on the flow algo. Like you don't have to put on a trade. If sometimes that happens and I look at something and then it's already kind of extended, I just wait for a pullback. So I wait for a pullback with some compression or consolidation, and then I'll get in then. You know what I mean? But just because it shows up on the flow algo doesn't necessarily mean you have to take the trade or whatever. You could be patient for a pullback. Yeah, dude. This. I want you. Definitely want it to be a community, guys. So if you guys want to network together, a lot of you guys have different little side hustles and things going on outside of trading. Absolutely, guys. I want it to be a huge community. Even if all you guys in California, if you guys want to get together and trade together, awesome, bro. That would be awesome to send me a picture if you guys do that. That would be really cool if you guys did that.
MB. 225 points. May 29th, 2020. 224 contracts.
Oh man, we didn't even pull up football, Facebook today, bro. Yeah, this was a nice trade right here on Facebook, bro.
214.
A career chef, awesome, bro.
2020.
I think you had told me that. I think you had DM me and then you had told me that. That's freaking awesome that you have that you do that. Um, Actually, my food should be getting here in a little bit, dude. I order meal prep and it gets sent to me every week. Amazon's breaking red right here, guys. Is Al still in here? Um, so my long positions, I shouldn't be panicking right now, right? Yeah, I mean, they're not moving though, dude. They don't move like the other ones. I guess I'm not really like in the money. It's not below 340s, but so what positions am I on right now? So I have a swing from overnight on Nvidia. Um, swing overnight on Nvidia, dude. I tried to buy 345 calls and then sell 360 calls as a spread trade, and it didn't quite work, dude. It didn't quite work. So, well, I bought it wrong. I did the trade wrong. Instead, uh, I bought 345 calls and then I sold 360 puts. So I did two bullish trades on the options, and then so now I put on 340. I sold 340 calls today, and I sold. No, I still have all three legs on the trade, but it looks ugly on my P&L right now, bro. When do I sell them, Al?
TWTR. 31 calls. June 5th, 2020. 2001. TWLO. 210 calls. June 19th, 2020. 200 ARBN. 30 calls. July 17th,
When do I
2020.
sell them?
925 contracts.
Yeah. So basically, what I was doing is I'm making a spread on I'm making a spread on the position that I had. So I wasn't supposed to sell the 360 puts. I was supposed to sell 360 calls, dude. So then I have a long and short position on it. But I messed it up and I sold 360 puts too, dude. So I it was a mistake. It was a mistake. The reason being is because the way that I usually hedge is just doing like a straddle. Um, Usually, like, if the price is right here like at 225, I'll buy 225 puts and then 226 or 227 and a half um, calls.
1,318 contracts.
That's it, Alberto. You're up on the day. Make your money and leave us. I didn't see a chart, dude. Oh, there it is. Oh yeah, bro. Looks like you're getting your consistency back, bro. Good job. Advanced market movers. What do you mean by that, bro? Yeah, dude.
BTC. 22 calls. June 19th, 2020.
Do they what?
3,000 contracts. IBV. 130 calls. June 19th, 2020. 403. TNGA. 9 calls. July 17th, 2020. 963 contracts.
Yeah, John. If you could, what do you mean by the advanced market movers, bro? Al, do I just sell these at the end of the day then, dude?
RCL. 55 calls. December 8th, 2020. 401 contracts.
the 340s. No, the other ones I'm gonna keep. Those ones are pretty good, dude. Yeah, but when? Like, do I do it before the bell tonight, or like when do I do it? I feel like Mike right now. Just tell me when to buy and when to sell.
TNGA. 9 calls. July 17th, 2020. 916 contracts.
Five 515, bro. Yeah, I'm up all right, dude. But I'm still. I mean, it doesn't do anything to the other positions or whatever.
TNGA. 9 calls. July 17th, 2020. 3,999
No,
contracts.
dude. Dude, never apologize for asking questions. That's how you learn. But if you're one rule that I do have is that don't ask something that
2020.
you could help yourself with, if that makes sense.
409 contracts.
So we had a problem with that this week. No, I just don't understand what you mean by the advanced market movers, dude. If you could explain that a little bit more, then I'm happy to go over it, bro. I mean, I wanted to get down to zero.
Snap. 18 calls. July 2nd, 2020. 800 contracts.
Yeah, let's see what happens here, bro. It sucks when you sell these, bro, because it's exactly like shorting on a small cap. You're limiting your profit potential. Oh my goodness, here we go, bro. Is that what I need to do? Is get your mom in the chat with a chancla for you to listen, Andrew? Damn, dude.
Forty-one calls. June 19th, 2020. 2019 contracts.
I could just like scalp these 340, like sell these 340s as scalps all fucking day, dude. If it keeps on just going up, and then whenever like I see it coming back down, dude, right? I'll just do this all day, bro. Make premium off of scalping down and keep the longer term calls right here, bro. Yeah, my brain freaking hurts, bro. You guys are getting to watch live as I do this, as I learn how to do a different strategy, bro.
Baba. 197 calls. May 29th, 2020. 254 contracts.
Are you in the spy or IWM there? Yeah, everything else. So everything in my betas is kind of bouncing right here, bro. But the spy is going down. All right, guys. So I'm looking at Amazon right here for this bounce off of the red to green line. So if I pull up Amazon right here, um, this is exactly what it did yesterday and then took off. So right here, the red to green line right here, and then for it to break this 2410 and continue up. So I'm gonna get some calls right here. So I made like $700 selling that 340 premium there, dude. So that's pretty cool. I mean, I think I could get used to this, dude. It just sucks because I wish I could take the positions that I'm not worried about for today off the screen because it looks fucking ugly, dude. Could mRNA say they found a vaccine again, dude? That would be freaking awesome. It makes a little bit more sense why that other guy whose name rhymes with Gucci um, is a tape reader, bro. You have to kind of read tape in order to be able to do it like this. I don't know. Did Alberto actually leave? Yeah, ADAP may actually squeeze right here, dude.
551 contracts.
And there goes Amazon here. So we got to get over this 2410 though. This is a big area of interest right here on Amazon. Once we get over that, we should be pretty scot free. And the market looks like it's kind of putting in a base. We'll see what happens here in a second. So I'm looking at a 5-minute chart on the SPY. So we'll see. We got some Keltner dots as well on the 5 minute. So got some a little bit longer term plays. Usually I'm done by this time. We're about an hour into the open. Usually I'm just nail and bail and get out. But thanks to Nvidia, I'm having a. I think it's going to be a nice trade, dude. Holistically, I think it's going to be a nice trade going into next week. How long did it take me to be a consistent trader, bro? Honestly, so the thing about it, dude, is what I tell most people is like with anything, right? 10,000 hours to be a master at anything, and the quicker you could get those 10,000 hours in, right, the faster you're profitable. So for me, dude, when I started really taking trading serious and whatnot, and there goes Amazon, bro. There goes I'm doing pretty good here. Um, when I started doing really good on my, or excuse me, taking trading serious, I had just broken up with my son's mother. and I was pretty suicidal. I was pretty, depressed, and I didn't want to see anyone. I didn't want to do anything, and I had this like mentality where it's like, fuck this bitch. I'm gonna be rich in a year, and she ain't gonna be telling me nothing, man. She's gonna want me back, and I'm gonna tell her no. You know what I mean? So that total like kind of toxic mentality of it, and I literally locked myself in my house, dude. Like, and I didn't go anywhere, just out of depression, like, and being so motivated to get it. And I swear I just watch charts like all day. I practice on demand on Thinkorswim. I read everything that I could, and you know what I mean. I literally would be so excited I couldn't wake up. I couldn't wait to wake up, for the market the next day. And so I believe I crammed, maybe 3 to 5 years of a learning curve into 1 year because of how much I did it, dude. So it's different for everyone, right? So like if you have a day job and you have a family and you're only able to dedicate an hour a day, or whatever it is, to reading or studying, then it's gonna take you a little bit longer. But if you're able to, I know people that actually took like a leave of absence from their job in order to just actually really focus, and and so there's even one guy that's in my chat room right now that he quit his normal day job, and he's gonna go work at his family's restaurant in order to take trading more seriously. So it's just the time that you put into it, dude. You can't necessarily say it took 3 years or 5 years or whatever, because within that 3 years you can only study once, and then it's gonna take you longer, right? But if you cram everything into like 1 year and you actually take it serious, then you're gonna shorten your learning curve. I hope that makes sense, dude. And the other part is where it clicks. Like every trader has like this like light bulb clicking moment where they notice that they know how to trade, they know the patterns, the technicals, and how to read fundamentals, things like that. And what's prohibiting them from doing better is themselves, as far as like risk management and discipline, things like that. Yeah, dude. I always try to keep it real and honest, bro. Like the answers I give, I think they're kind of unconventional answers, but it's true. It's I that's the way I think about things, right? Oh, I'm doing pretty nice right here on Amazon, guys. Let's see. I'm down on the day, just full disclaimer to tell you guys. So, thank you, dude. I'm pretty religious, bro. So, I realized that it's fucking stupid to think I could do this all by myself, bro. But I really think that part of why, oh, there goes ADAP on that squeeze we were just talking about. I really think that I'll say success loosely or whatever, but what I'm been able to do thus far is because I have gone back to church and I've God on my side and stuff. People laugh at me because I say my favorite indicator is prayer, bro. So my favorite indicator, my favorite most profitable thing I do is like pray for good trades, dude. That's all I do. So, and then I realize the more I help other people, dude, the more I've been better in my life, bro. Like, I don't like to brag, and I'm not one of those people to shove a camera in someone's face when like I'm helping them. Um, but like during this whole like coronavirus thing, there's a class of students in the town where my son lives, and I provided the Wi-Fi for the Google Classroom for all those students. There was a teacher that she's younger. She's like in my age. I actually went to high school with her, but she was one of the first ones that was out of work since they closed schools. Like first, and the what do you call it? The unemployment was a fucking mess, dude. Her unemployment wasn't coming through, so I wound up paying her rent for like 2 months, dude, just to help her out. But it's things like that, dude, that you don't have to be some crazy philanthropist to change the world, bro, because you leave that impact on someone and then they help someone, whenever they need it. And it's just that pay it forward type of mentality, bro. So, yeah, like a lot of guys think I'm an asshole because I'm like I will talk shit to you and I will put you in your place, but I actually have a pretty big fucking heart, and I think a lot of the guys actually know in here. Uh, if you're willing to help yourself, I'll fucking help you as best as I could, dude. Especially if I got it, dude. Like, you know what I mean? I don't know if that makes sense. Yeah, karma, whatever, divine intervention, whatever you want to call it. Um, hey there, bro. I don't know how to say your name, New Zoni. But yeah, bro. Like and that's not to say I'm a perfect fucking Christian, dude. I just like that, like, you know what I mean. I'm not, like, I make mistakes. I stray and I do bad things or whatever, bro. But um, yeah, bro. Like it kind of sucks because I work a lot. Like, I'm here at the desk a lot, and one thing that I do for myself is go to church every weekend. And I think the guys in the room, they're like, "Why are you streaming church in the chat room?" But yeah, I go to church every weekend, and if not, I'm streaming it here now with the coronavirus stuff. Yeah, dude. There's a lot of things that I struggle with like religious stuff. Like, where in the Bible did the dinosaurs come from? If someone could freaking answer me that, bro. Yeah, yeah, bro. So I think, and I think that's the biggest thing. Like, not just in religion, and I don't want to get too preachy on everything right now, guys, but with everything, even asking for forgiveness of our neighbors and our, our associates and things like that, and being forgiving of them, you know what I mean, is definitely a huge deal. Um, Dude, I was up like 2 grand, and now I'm back at break even. Um, so yeah, like I try to be, if someone, I think it takes a lot for a person, especially a man, right? Like, for us, we're very prideful to come up to you and apologize, dude. Because I know it's hard for me to come up to someone and say I'm sorry and please forgive me, and and then not just saying it but putting action behind your words. It's one of the hardest things you could do. So, like, if someone is willing to suck up their pride and tell me they're sorry, and they're gonna make it better, then yeah, awesome, dude. I'm glad. I didn't realize that so many of you guys were believers, bro. That's pretty awesome. Yeah, dude. So I don't I'm not too good on the Bible, bro. Like, I know a few verses by memory and by heart. Um I mean, I know the story, but I can't tell you like exact verses and what happens in each book and things like that. You know what I mean? So I don't know if you guys are like Catholic Christian or Baptist, anything like that. But I go like just to a non New Age Wall Street Church. This is the church of bids and asks, bro. Um, um, what was I saying? Oh, I go to a non-denominational church, so it's really cool that it's mostly like Bible study, dude. So I really like that. A church ETF. I'm all in full buying power, bro. The bourbon makes you think I am. Oh, dude, I'm a tequila drinker, bro. Like they were kind of surprised on this last weekend for Memorial Day. I went with some friends to the lake house and we went to Costco. Went to Costco and loaded up on supplies because this lake was out in the middle of freaking nowhere, dude. I tell you, there was nothing out there. Um, anyways, we went to Costco, load up on supplies, and my friend was buying, he was buying like beer and he, just like cheaper stuff, and I'm like, no, dude, if I drink, like I'm a drink, because I hardly ever drink. Yeah, I'm using the TTM squeeze right here, bro. I haven't had any setups on it today as of yet. So the only one was the spy, but it's going down. It's not catching any support. But yeah, so they had 1942 over at they have 1942 over in at Costco, and they're like, "Why did you buy this?" And oh, dude, like it's so good, it's so smooth. That's my favorite, bro. I'm such a snob when it comes to that stuff, dude. Dude, these Trump tweets about George Floyd are just kind of nuts, bro.
TNGA. Time call. July 17, 2020. 500 contracts. HSBC. 18th. January 13th.
Oh man, we got the man in the house here.
3 contracts.
Awesome, bro. All right, guys. gonna go ahead and call it a stream right here. Does anyone have any questions or anything you want to go over as far as charts or anything right now before I get off?
690 copies.
Good morning there, Deb. Awesome, guys. We'll catch you guys if you guys want to come check out the Sunday Stockcast on Sunday. We'll have Ricky Analog on, bro. So I'm really excited to get with him, bro, because he just he's like me. He don't have a filter and doesn't give a shit. So really pumped to have him, bro. And that's my California brother too. So he's been 100% supportive of me and the room since we first started. Um, so yeah, so if you guys want to come hang out on Sunday, the Stockcast is going to be at 8 p.m. Eastern, and then we will also. Also, if you guys want to go on my website and sign up for the newsletter, I'm gonna send out the watch list and stuff for the week, as well as emails every week on Sunday. And then I've also put out there if you guys want me to do like a midweek review type stream on Wednesdays. We could do that too if you guys want to do that, but I just need to have interest in it. I'm not gonna come and talk to myself about it. So um, it's a lot to be able to do all of this stuff just on my own, guys. So um, but yeah, appreciate you guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you guys and your interaction, your with us today, and you guys have a great rest of your day. Okay.